The Queen's traditional public appearance at church on Christmas Day has been thrown into doubt for the second year running due to COVID rules. Plans are being reviewed for the monarch and senior royals to attend festive services on the Sandringham estate. It is unlikely the Queen, 95, will risk exposure with the rise of the Omicron variant and the new stricter government guidance. A decision not to join the congregation and up to 2,000 well-wishers outside St. Mary Magdalene Church in Norfolk would follow a set of postponements by Her Majesty. They came after she had hospital tests in the autumn, then suffered a bad back. Sunday service on Boxing Day. Infection risks are potentially elevated for the elderly and vulnerable, with current guidance allowing masks to be removed in church for singing and readings. The Queen would be disappointed to miss the traditional fixture after remaining at Windsor Castle with the Duke of Edinburgh last year following the arrival of tight restrictions on gatherings. Seeing the monarch attend the services would have been a boost to national morale. But the Daily Express understands she is mindful of setting the right example. During periods when masks were required for religious worship, including during her summer stay at Balmoral, she has avoided attending services. Sources said it was because she believed it was setting the wrong tone at a time of serious health concerns and it would be unwise to attract crowds outside. But the nation's matriarch is still planning to bring her family together at Sandringham for their first Christmas since the death of her beloved husband Prince Philip in April at the age of 99. She will also host her traditional lunch for around 40 members of the extended royal family at Windsor next week for the first time since 2019. Joe Little, managing editor of Majesty magazine, said, "She'll be setting an example. It's a return to normality of a kind for the Queen after she had to endure last Christmas with the Duke of Edinburgh in HMS Bubble, surrounded by a small number of close staff. The lunch is normally celebrated at Buckingham Palace, but building work during a £369 million refurbishment means no room capable of holding such a big family event is available. The Queen, who has undertaken only light duties since October because of an unexplained medical condition, is due to record her Christmas broadcast next week. She guards details of the annual personal message carefully but is expected to reference the joy of families coming together in the festive season and probably look forward to her Platinum Jubilee year. It is possible Her Majesty might take part in an event at Windsor Castle to wish the nation a Merry Christmas, but that has not been confirmed and would not be classified as a public engagement. Already Britain's longest reigning sovereign, the Queen marks 70 years on the throne on February 6 and is due to be at Sandringham when that milestone is reached. Buckingham Palace has not commented on her plans, but it is understood they are subject to change if official advice alters. Similarly, other family members will review future engagements on a case-by-case basis. News that the Queen will host her annual Christmas lunch means she is determined to keep calm and carry on. Of course, she will have to abide by any new COVID rules. But as things stand, she should be able to welcome up to 40 guests for the gathering, which she badly needs after this year. As well as losing her husband of 73 years, Prince Philip, the Queen has bade farewell to many friends, including the Dowager Duchess of Grafton, her mistress of the robes, who died recently aged 101. Seeing so many relatives who she has not met much during the pandemic will bring comfort. While new great-grandchildren are bound to be brought along by Princess Eugenie, Princess Beatrice and Zara Tindall. Absent of course will be Harry and Meghan, who also gave the Queen another great-grandchild this year, Lilibet. But at least there will be no danger of them being upset by Princess Michael of Kent, who notoriously came to Meghan's first Christmas lunch wearing an offensive blackamoor brooch.